Hello guys, welcome to my channel and I go by the name Koscyber. Today we are going to look at how to speed your laptop or your PC and also free up some space without installing any third-party app or any third-party software. But before we get into it, do well to subscribe, like, comment and share the video with anyone. Now let's move right to the desktop. So first of all, you have to open the CMD or the command prompt. Then you start inputting your data just like that. So first of all, you go to the start menu, then you search for CMD. Then you run it as an administrator. Now I'm going to pop out, then you click on yes. But sometimes your own can go straight to the CMD window. So as you have it like this, now first thing first, the first thing that we are going to do is to delete temporary files on our Windows PC. Sometimes we'll be installing some apps, deleting some folders, but still there are some of the files that are not deleted, that are hidden. So we will use this command and it is on the screen if you cannot see it clearly. dl/q. Now use space. Now the temporary, you have to shorten it and type it to the shortest form in caps. Now after typing this command, all you have to do is press enter. Then you can see all these things that are moving up and down are the temporary files that are being stored on your Windows PC. The second thing to do is to run a disk cleanup, which is the GUI tool to run it. And this is very simple. Even you can close your eyes and do it. But before that, let's take a coffee break. This tastes great. So now let's move on by typing clean. Sorry, it shouldn't be in caps. Clean the manager. You don't type all the manager. cleanmgr. Then you press the enter key. Now you click on okay. From the pop-up menu, you click on okay. This is going to clean up the disk C for you, that it is cleaning. So when everything is done, it will clean up and this will make our machine to run fast. Okay, this will delete the temporary file permanently for you, and that is all. Now let's move to the next thing, which is clean DNS Cache. This will help you to speed up the network, whether you are using Wi-Fi or whatever that you are using. When you connect to your PC, this will help it to run faster. And whenever you search something on the internet, the speed of searching or the rate at which it runs for you to get your result will be very fast. So let's try it by typing the command that appears on the screen: ip config // DNS. Now you hit enter. That is all. You see that it is successfully flashed the DNS results cache. Now the fourth one, to clean the disk F again. So how do we do this? Now when we do this, it helps us to fix disk error, corrupted disks and the others. So let's move straight by typing the command that appears on the screen: okay. Then bring your C like this. Now all you have to do is press enter and you wait for it to finish loading. Now you click on yes and then the work is done for you. Now when we are done with everything, there's one major thing that we have to do. Sometimes some files are being corrupted, some files are not working properly. So how do we solve this problem, or how do we solve this system file corruption? How do we solve it? Now let's repair it by using this command that appears on the screen: sfc/scan now. Now this will take a little bit of time, and it will scan everything, and also it what verify all the phases of what the system files, and this will help your PC to what to run faster. And also sometimes trying to do all this will help your PC to remove some viruses, temporal file viruses that what will corrupt your system or will shut it down without your knowing. So doing this is 100% safe, and I encourage anyone watching this video what to try to do this some time, so that their PC will be strong and it will run what faster. I go by the name Koscyber, and welcome to my channel once again. Please, if today is your first time watching our videos, do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share the videos with anyone, so that the channel will grow and you get more content like this. I go by the name Koscyber once again. See you, stay safe, stay informed. See you in our next video. Alhamdulillah.